Hi, scholars. Today we're going to talk about knowing your audience for an argument. Our learning targets are I can identify choices that create a formal tone, and I can understand reasons and evidence should be chosen for the audience. First, we're going to think about what formal versus informal means. Informal would be something like your group of friends that you don't mind hugging, shaking hands, or fist bumping with. Formal is going to be used for people that you would greet with a nod or a handshake or people you don't know. Because you're already an expert at using informal tone, we're going to focus on the formal tone today. To choose a formal tone, there are several things you need to do. No contractions. This means can't becomes cannot. It's becomes it is. If you're using an apostrophe, you're probably not choosing a formal tone. Avoid pronouns. This means instead of saying you should, you might choose a phrase like it is important to. Don't use slang. So instead of saying something's lit, I'm going to say it's excellent. And I'm going to choose specific academic words. So instead of saying the work is hard, I'm going to say the work is arduous. We also want to choose objective language. In the essay Choose Vegetarian, I could have written this. Some people wrongly believe meat is the best protein source. I'm judging other people when I say wrongly believe, and I'm not going to convince anybody that way. So I went with the objective language. Granted, to be healthy, humans need protein. Here I acknowledge that the other side has a point. And I say many argue meat is the best source. I'm showing that it is an argument that people can have different points of view about. So I choose reasons to match the audience. If you're talking to other students about why you should use your phone in class, you might say I use my phone to text my friends about where to meet. This probably won't convince your teacher, so you might choose a reason like this. I use my phone to text my friends the work when they're absent. That's more likely to convince your teacher. In the essay, Choose Vegetarian, I wrote it for students who wanted to know why I was a vegetarian. I know my students care about the environment and fair treatment of animals and their health, so those are the issues I focused on. When I'm talking to adults who maybe don't care that much about the environment or animal treatment, I focus on things like heart health, nutrition, and cancer. I choose reasons to match the audience. Now that we've covered this, take the short quiz, Know Your Audience. Thank you, scholars.